Today we will be making moomin tote bags. I will be painting these bags with acrylic paint. I'm starting with a pencil and eraser to draw the outline. The canvas material makes it a little bit difficult for the pencil to show up, so I had to press pretty firmly and go over the lines a couple times. Moomin Troll is also super soft, so I made sure to keep all the edges round. I had a reference picture, so I didn't worry about getting the drawing perfect this time around. I can fix it later with paint. I just tried to get the general shape. This is what I ended up with. Now I'm using tape to create a clean border around where I'll be painting. And now it's time for paint. I'm using Artist Loft acrylic paint. To get a pastel yellow, mix a small amount of yellow with a lot of white. I mixed quite a bit because this color is for the background. I'm cleaning my brush now so I can move on to the next color. Although the tote bag is white already, painting over will blend the image together better. And Moomin Troll deserves to be as vibrant as he can be. Moving on to the details, I'm using some Posca paint pens. The black one will be used for the outline of Moomin Troll. I was actually inspired by Comet in Moomin Land for this project. It's the second book in the book series by Tove Jansson. I really love her writing. You can feel the magic and nostalgia through her words even after translation. The Moomin universe is just so full of love, tolerance, and healing. It's so special to me, and I keep feeling inspired to do art as I've been reading the books. This is my favorite part. I somehow always manage to get at least some paint under the tape, but it still feels so rewarding to peel it off. This is the bulk of the painting, but there's still more embellishments to add. I'm next using a pink Posca pen to create a border. It looks nicer with another pop of color. Almost done. Time for sequins. Moomin's looking up, so I wanted him to be looking at something beautiful and magical, and I thought that stars would be perfect. I'm just going to use these bags for decor, so Elmer's glue will do. All done! I made another with opposite colors and him facing the opposite way. They're not perfect, but it was so fun to make them and I love how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed and please take care.